Do you own a property in Rhode Island that was built before 1978? Well, the recent updates to the lead-based paint mitigation laws likely affect you. Now, rental property owners could face really hefty violations if they don't know the ins and the outs of this law, which is why I'm posting this video to help you out. Hey there, my name is Jess Powers. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty, and I've been an agent for 10 years, but more importantly, I'm also a property owner, so I know firsthand what is required as a landlord to ensure that my properties are in compliance with the lead paint laws. Now, I'm hosting a webinar to explain more, but here is the high level at a very quick overview. If you own a property that was built before 1978, you rent that property out, you're required to have a lead conformance certificate. That certificate can be obtained by passing a visual test by a licensed inspector, but you also have to pass dust samples. Now, here's the kicker. The certificate has to be renewed every 2 years or when a tenant moves out, whichever is sooner. There are several major updates, including the fact that owner-occupied properties are no longer exempt. Listen, lead poisoning, it's a big deal and it's preventable. And frankly, that bucket has been kicked down the road for decades. So it might not be easy for a lot of property owners. It might be very expensive, and it definitely may be overwhelming. So that's where I can help. I want to ensure that you fully understand how to make sure your property is in full compliance with the law so you don't face costly property violations or, even worse, any potential lawsuits due to your tenants who have been lead poisoned in your property. You literally can't afford to ignore these laws. Now, I can break down the steps for you. I can provide you with a checklist and funding resources you might be able to take advantage of. Now, save this video for future reference and comment landlord below, and I will send you my free guide on this lead law and the details about our upcoming webinar. My name is Jess Powers, and I'm always here to help.